Good morning, students. Today I, Padmaja Behera from Jagran Public School, Noida, is here with a video presentation from the book Class 9, and that is Beehive. The title of the chapter is Rain on the Roof. It's a poem written by Coates Kinney. Children, let's move on to the next slide. Like I always say, every poem, every chapter, every movie is based on a certain theme. And the theme of this particular poem is when certain things happen, then we have long lasting memories which flash back to our mind, as has happened with the poet. The poet is listening to the raindrops, and the sound is bringing back old memories of his mother. The sound of the raindrops is just like a blessing as he feels his mother's presence. And children, let's have a look at what is the message which this poem gives us. Certain incidents leave lasting memories. It can be a sound, a scent, or scene. The sound of the rainfall on the roof brings back memories of the poet's childhood. The poet has nostalgic memories of his mother. The poet remembers his mother's affection towards him in his childhood, just like the soft falling raindrops. And when we have memories of our childhood, those are really nostalgic. And specifically when we are all alone and enjoying the raindrops falling as soft falling showers. Children, let's move on to the next slide. Let's understand what is the justification of the title. The poem deals with rain. The poem depicts the mood of the poet during a rainy night. The falling of raindrops makes the poet remember the past, and he has fond memories of his mother. Children, let's move to the next one. And here I've given you the summary. The poet has given a nice imagination while listens to the falling of raindrops on the roof. The poet is lost in various thoughts and he feels the presence of his mother. On one side, there is happiness, and on the other side, there is unhappiness. When he has nostalgic memories of his mother, the poet is happy on finding the raindrops falling and the sound of the raindrops giving him happiness, whereas the memories of his mother leaves him unhappy. Children, let's have a look at the poetic devices or the literary devices which we had also discussed earlier. Alliteration, I hope you know, it is same sounding consonants. Humid, hover, press, pillow, same sounding PP, starry, spears, SS, cottage chamber, CC, lie, listening is also alliteration, LL. And look at the imagery, rainy tears, as if the rain is compared to, is giving an image as if tears are falling from our eyes. Melancholy, darkness. The darkness is always melancholy. Melancholy means sad. The darkness in the night and the soft falling shower is giving nostalgic memories, is giving unhappy memories to the poet because he is missing his mother. Repetition, listening to the pitter patter, is repetition. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next one. I hope all of you enjoyed watching the video. And also I loved making it, children. Please go through the poem, and when we go through the poem, we can very well understand the literary devices, the poetic devices, and also the message, the underlying message which the poem is giving. Thank you, children.